Football is a very popular sport around the world. It's also called soccer in some places. People of all ages love to play and watch football. In football, there are two teams. Each team has 11 players. The goal of the game is to score points by kicking the ball into the opposing team's goal. The team with the most points at the end of the game wins. To play football, you need a ball and a field. The field has two goals at opposite ends. Players wear special shoes called cleats to help them run and kick the ball better. Football matches are played in two halves, each lasting 45 minutes. There is a break called halftime between the two halves. During a football match, players use their feet, head, and sometimes their chest to control the ball. They pass the ball to their teammates to move it closer to the opposing team's goal. Players also try to steal the ball from their opponents to gain possession. Football is a team sport, so players need to work together to win. They communicate with each other using words and gestures to make plans and strategies. In addition to playing football, many people enjoy watching football matches. They support their favorite teams and players. Football matches can be very exciting, especially during important tournaments like the World Cup. Football teaches important skills like teamwork, communication, and sportsmanship. It's a great way to stay active and have fun with friends. In conclusion, football is a popular and enjoyable sport that brings people together. Whether you're playing on the field or cheering from the sidelines, football is a game that everyone can enjoy.